Async await is everywhere in Node.js, but most developers miss critical performance traps. Let's fix that. When you mark a function with the async keyword, it automatically returns a promise. The await keyword pauses execution inside that function until the promise resolves, giving you the result directly instead of chaining callbacks. Think of await as a pause button that waits for your asynchronous operation to finish before moving to the next line. Error handling with async await is clean and familiar. Just wrap your await calls in a try-catch block. If the promise rejects, the catch block handles it exactly like synchronous code. This is way better than nested error callbacks or multiple catch handlers. Here's the performance trap. If you await inside a loop, each operation runs one after another, which can be slow. For independent operations, use promise.all to run them in parallel. This can cut your execution time dramatically when fetching multiple resources. You can only use await inside async functions, with one exception. Top-level await works in ES modules. Try to use await in a regular function, and Node will throw a syntax error immediately. Compare this clean async await code to callback hell or long then chains. The async version reads top to bottom like synchronous code, making it far easier to understand and maintain. Async await makes asynchronous code readable and maintainable. Just remember to handle errors with try-catch and use promise.all for parallel operations. Master this and you'll write better Node.js code. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.